bag tour. I got a paint stick, Sharpie, some earplugs, thermostat screwdrivers. Alright, we got a mirror, a service wrench. I keep a Sawzall blade in there. My old trusty wire strippers, cold brush, another thermostat screwdriver. Keep my testos. I have my temperature sensors, my clamps. Smart probes go in the center. Wire crimpers. My baby channel locks, adjustable. My Husky, all go right in there. Got a little punch. We got some Amazon basic tools, lines of end pliers I put over here on this side. I put my dikes over here on this side. Needle nose pliers goes in there, and then we got screwdrivers. I got flathead, Phillips head, insulated. I got the number 2 square, insulated, standard flathead, standard Phillips. And we come over to this bad boy right here. Nice tool. We got the 27-in-1 Klein. It's a little difficult to one-hand it. It's got all your fittings up in the top. We got our old I keep 4-speed wrenches. I got 9 or 7/16, ½ inch, 9/16, and 5/8. I'll go right there. Got my knuckle knife. You never know when you're gonna get some cake, so I keep a cake knife and my meter. Down in the hole I got a couple small tools like water hose, alligator clips, thermometer probe down in there. I keep the Klein probe on me. Over on the side I keep some keys to thermostats, key to the valve core locks and tape, and that's a wrap. She's got shoulder and carrier. There's a Klein tool bag, got the rubber bottom so your stuff don't get wet. And that there is my go-to small tool bag.